librarian at Hough High School. Before I was here, I worked at a local elementary school that feeds into this one, where over time I applied for and was awarded over $150,000 in grants. That library received a huge makeover that funded a robust MakerSpace, and I was determined to never leave because I had everything I wanted. As a parent of a rising high school student as well as a college student, I decided to switch up to high school when the opportunity presented itself because it meant I got to teach the same students again, but with more rigor. This library had no MakerSpace at all, just a 3D printer, which was actually new to me. I began brushing up my grant writing skills and received funds to get a low-tech MakerSpace started. Now that I've had a year to observe the interests of students and get to know the passions of our teachers, I am ready to scale it up. I have worked with our engineering teacher, our occupational careers studies teacher, and our 2D and 3D art teacher to put together this proposal. We are excited about the opportunity and the possibilities, and we thank you for your consideration.